looking very much like the widest changes to employment law in a generation in 30 years.
I mean, it was Labour's big ticket item. We have now moved from having, the employee has to have 2 years of qualifying period down to just 6 months. Adding on to that, we're also looking at sort of the 1st January 2027. The cap for compensation is going to be abolished for unfair dismissal as well. Not only do you want to not go over that 6 months and then not manage the process fairly, you have to realise that there's a higher risk at the tribunal for this high reward as well.
We've got the removal of fire and rehire provisions in October this year.
We're talking retail, special seasonal workers. I think it's definitely something to keep an eye on and see how this will actually affect your business.
We've also got sort of changes coming into effect around sexual harassment and harassment more generally.
Hopefully the employers are all, as they're fresh in their minds really from October with just taking the reasonable steps to prevent harassment and sexual harassment there. And now from October 2026 we're looking to say it must take all reasonable steps.
We've also got changes to statutory sick pay.
I think it's one of the sort of biggest changes for statutory sick pay in years really.
From April, statutory sick pay will apply from day one, and it will apply to everyone regardless of what they earn. Collective redundancies, if anyone were looking to make 20 or more redundancies, the importance of actually going through a proper collective consultation process. The penalty for not doing so has doubled. We're just going to touch on a few of the family-friendly rights we've mentioned, and I think a key one really is additional protection for pregnant women and new mothers from dismissal, not only during pregnancy and maternity leave, but also for a period of time, likely going to be about 6 months after their return to work, that will make any dismissal automatically unfair.
It covers not only just, maternity leave, but it also covers the neonatal care, bereaved partners paternity leave as well. So there's currently no statutory right to bereavement leave, but we're going to see a big change from that from 2027.
This is Headnotes, a podcast from Whitehead Moncton.